Now, another thing you need to know is that Facebook does not allow you to share more than 20 times in a single day. That means if you join those groups and you create your content, when you want to share it on those groups, make sure you're not sharing it to more than 20 groups in a single day. Because if you share it more than 20, or if you exceed 20 share to 20 groups in a single day, what Facebook will do is that they will either flag your page or they will strike your page out of Facebook. So I'm going to demonstrate to us how to create a content and also how to share it in your Facebook groups. I'm sure by now you already might have joined the Facebook groups of your choice. So to create a content and to share on those groups, I can now create a content. Let's see what's on my mind. What I'll do is that I'll just go and search for a picture. I have pictures of ICT. I have a whole lot of them. Okay, let me use this one. I have this. You need to type something on top. So let's see. Experience the world of ICT. So now, and I click on next. I click on next. Did I have to create an event? I will say not now. So I click. How am I posting? I'm posting it to public. So I click. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, so I've now posted. I don't really need to boost anything, and that's another way of increasing your viewership. We'll talk about that later. So I can click not now. So this is a content that I've created already in my Starnet Professional ICT Institute page. So now what I need to do is to increase the viewership. I will now go to share. How am I sharing it to? I'm sharing it to the Facebook groups that I've joined, those groups that are in line with my niche. I can now go to computer skills. This is a group. I can click on it. It's in line with my niche. Then I can type something again. I say, hi guys, check out our page. Then I now post. I forwarded it to that group. I can do that up to 10 groups in the morning. Then later in the evening, I'll go and do the same thing to 10 groups so as to avoid Facebook to flag up our page. I believe you all understand the first stage now, how to increase the viewership of your Facebook page. Thank you.